Flipgrid is a video recording application that allows teachers and students to record short clips, use filters, frames, split screens and draw on screen to demonstrate ideas. To use Flipgrid, you will need to sign up as an educator at flipgrid.com. Once you're signed up, you can create a group for your class. Now the group is created, you can share it with the children on Teams. Click the Teams icon. This will give you the option to share the grid link to a Teams channel or to create an assignment using Flipgrid. You can also add Flipgrid as a tab in Teams. Copy and paste the link to share your new group. Now the children can create their own videos, view each other's and leave text or video comments for each other. Another great collaboration tool is the Whiteboard app. A good tip is to create private channels for groups of children to work together on a whiteboard. This will prevent children from accessing other children's work. Once the channels are created, you can add the Whiteboard app to each one by clicking the plus icon and choosing the Whiteboard app. You can decide whether you want the children to be able to edit the whiteboard straight away. This gives the teacher the chance to make any changes before the children start working. You can even add documents such as PowerPoints or PDFs that the children can highlight and annotate. When you're ready for the children to edit, click the cog at the top right and switch on Other Participants Can Edit. You can also export the whiteboard as an image file to print or to use for future work.
Hello, I'm Anthony Foy, a Year 3 teacher at Danesfield School, and I'm going to show you how to use Kahoot to engage those blended learners. So those children that are not able to come to school, I'm going to show you how they can stay connected with their class and have fun and join in with the lessons. So if you've not signed up for Kahoot.com, you'll need to do that. The children don't need to sign up. I'm going to log in. And what we're going to do is, as a class, we're going to play a quiz. And I'm going to make sure that those children working from home can take part in the quiz too. So we're going to do about our 8 times tables. Choose a quiz. There are millions of quizzes on there. Lots to choose from. The children in class will use their devices to join in the quiz, and all you need to do is tell the child that is working from home this pin. Once they've got it, they'll be able to join this game as well. Their name will come up on the screen, and once everybody's in, you can hit start and that quiz will start for them to play live with their classmates.